One of the challenging things about trying to improve our transportation infrastructure is that we have to still maintain our existing infrastructure as well too. And this is one of the things that we're trying to do is actually take a lot of these older bridges, increase the service life by doing these major repairs in order to maintain its viability.
The roads were closed at 8 p.m.
What you're doing is basically having this thing that looks like a lobster claw that's just kind of slowly pinching at it.
The jaws tighten around the concrete, and then it gets to a point where it just shatters. They crush all the way through then, down to where the steel is, and it all falls away, and you're left with a little twisted rebar in the center. Demolition happens fast. It's loud and noisy. The equipment operator, if you just look at it, you can see that focus. In the same way that we use tools that we're familiar with, like a screwdriver, and you can kind of feel the tension of the screw as you drive it in and know when to stop. You can feel how much to squeeze and when to back off. And to be able to watch it up close and feel the vibrations of it is really cool. There was this huge crash, and I looked back and the girder had fallen.
The contractor proposed a plan that allowed it to basically remove the damaged girder in one night and then put a new girder in place the next night.
It's 100 feet long, it's wide, it's heavy, it's a massive thing. And to see it arrive in such pristine condition, that was really cool.
45 tons is a decent sized girder, but nothing that these big cranes can't handle. It's a walk in the park for them every night. They just come in and set up and lift it into place. And luckily it fits. Vertical force, big heavy load, and sits down on a flat surface, and that's about all it needs.
Right now there's a 4-foot pile of twisted rebar and concrete accumulating on the roadway. By tomorrow morning, people won't even really notice that anything had happened here.